Alright, so I'm on eBay today and I'm looking for that O2 sensor for my friend's 2005 Honda Civic. So we'll see if we can find one. 2005 Honda Civic. Oops. O2 sensor. Here it is. Okay. O2 sensor, oxygen sensor, upstream, 2005 Honda Civic. 1.7 liter gas OE. That's it. This is the one we're going to get. This should fix our problem. And it comes with the connector and the cable. Man on this puppy. Yeah, there it is right there. That should do the trick. Oxygen sensor upstream. And my package has arrived. This should be the O2 sensor that I just bought. Alright, you saw me buy on eBay. And yes, it goes without saying, you see it. I have to be opening up stuff with one hand. So let's get her open. And see if it's the right part. There it is, bam. O2 sensor. This should be the upstream, what they call number 1. So, go outside and see if it will work and clear the code. So unfortunately, this is not the best day for filming. There's people in the backyard, neighbors making noise and using saws and stuff, and dogs. So I'm in the front yard. We're going to get this over with. Let's see. First, we need to verify that the engine check light is still on. Yep, it's still on. Alright. Let's pop the hood and see what we can do with this new sensor here. Alright. This is it. This car I just drove around the corner, so this might be kind of hot, but you can see, you know, I don't know if it's going to come out without breaking or what. There's a connector. Let's see what we got here. This connector. I'm going to have to get a little screwdriver to get that out. Same style connector, looks like. Let's see. Turn it upside down. Yeah, that's it. So it looks like this is whole assembly here. Excuse me. Whole assembly here. That comes out right. Yep, they match up fine, so it should come off easy with the connector. Now let's see if we can get this thing off without breaking it. Okay. This is the new one. It looks like they did put anti-seize. This is what I was trying to tell you. They didn't put anti-seize in here in this old one. We could have a problem with something breaking off, because I'll show you what anti-seize on the new one, if they did it right, should have anti-seize on this new one. see, we got a little light. There it is. Anti-seize. That's what you want on there. All right. Whew. Looks like they did put anti-seize on this thing. We got it. It's coming out. Now, it's a matter of getting this connector off. Here. Looks like it's you press this tab in. And shit pop out. Yep, there it is. So you press the tab in, it's water sealed. This is probably a Delphi connection. This is probably one of the best you can get. Good water sealed, tight connection. Then you have, looks like, I don't know if that's screwed in or not. Where's the other one? Yeah, there's a tab on this one. Yeah, it's like a tab on the back of it. Let's see. So we're gonna see how we can get that out. But so far so good. This was the major one right here. Bam, she's out. Perfect. And also you gotta make sure these threads line up with the ones in my new O2 sensor. Wow, that's hot. Whew, crap. Yeah, let's see if we can get this sucker off. There we go. Yeah, that one's really tough. I don't know what's in the back of that. I might need to push a screwdriver out the back in the back of this to free this. Yep, need a screwdriver. Alright, so this connector, you have a steel bracket mounted to the engine that goes inside of this connector here. So that one has rust in it. Actually, it's rusted out and it's basically seized up in here, so I had no choice but to devise a tool. Sharp razor blade. Gonna make an incision right here and just pull it off. So that is the plan. Sure, you could do another way, probably spray WD-40 and wait overnight. It might come out, but I don't got all day. I'm just gonna cut the sucker right there. There it is. She's off. Free at last. Don't cut yourself if you do that. Don't try this, kids. No. So yeah, you could have tried to put a screwdriver in here and wedge it out, but it wasn't coming, so I decided to cut it off. Now, because I think inside there's a notch. Yeah, there's a notch. This is over-engineered. There's a notch, a hole right on the side of this bracket that stops it from coming out. Yep, I see it right there. So you got to put a screwdriver in there and pull that out like that, but I was limited space. You could actually unbolt this. You probably can do it a lot easier. You could unbolt this, but my decision was to just cut it off, and that's what I'm sticking with. So you got the connecting part. Like that. Yeah, some guy asked me to vote for him when I was out here working on my car. Looks like they're voting this Tuesday or something. Yeah, this guy. I don't know nothing about him. Come on, man. Doesn't look like it wants to go. That's not good. There we go. Yes. Don't want to over tighten it, just give it enough pressure on there so it's snug. Heat don't make it expand, it'll tighten by itself mostly. If you over tighten it, you could strip it out. Then you gotta re-tap it. I feel like doing that. Anyway, so even though this is made in China, they did give you a Delphi connector or a Delphi replica. And they gave you a, looks like a high temp insulator over the wires. This looks like a pretty high temp insulator. I can't read the code on it, but I used to build wires for this company. Just, you know, these are temperature rated. I don't see the code on it. Anyway, so you got high temp wire and you get a Delphi replica connector. Even though it's made in China, so that ain't that bad. Now, you want to hook it up. First, I'm going to connect it first. Anyway, so you press the tab here, and the tab on the back of it. Press that and push it in, and you'll hear a snap. You get that on, then you just slide this back onto that metal bracket. Like that. That's it. Boom. That should do it. Make sure this wire is out of any moving, like keep it out of the fan, keep it out of any heated surfaces. And, might want to tie strap it up somewhere. Let's see here. Just keep that wire away from any moving parts. Alright, now we're going to check and see if the engine check light is off or not. Alright, let's see what we got. We got the new sensor in. Now let's check and see if the check engine light is off. There's a shadow here, unfortunately, so let's start her up. Check and see if the O2 sensor is out. Here we go. See if that fixed the check engine light or not. Here we go. There you go. Check engine light is off. So that did it. It was the O2 sensor. Bank 1. Check engine light is off. So I'm gonna monitor this for the next couple of days, see if it comes back on, because you never know. So, but until then, we got it going. 2005 Honda. Check engine light repair. O2 sensor. Bank 1. So we'll monitor the next couple of days and see if it comes back or not.